Hello, my name is Jordan. Hi Jordan, how are you doing? I'm okay, thank you. Where do you live? I live in Palestine. Nice. I live in Pakistan. How long do you live there? I lived there for 11 years. Do you live alone or with your family? I live with my wife. Really? Nice. I live with my brothers. How many brothers have you? I have three brothers. How long have you been married? I have been married for 5 years. It was nice talking to you, but I have to go now. Okay, bye bye. Hi William. Hi Ronaldo. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm alright. Where are you from? I'm from Lahore. Wow, I love Lahore city. I always wanted to visit Lahore. Great. I would be very happy if you come to Lahore. Thank you so much. William, where are you from? I'm from Hyderabad. I heard it is very nice place. Thank you. It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you too. Bye. Goodbye. Hi Michael. Hi John. How are you? I'm fine. Where are you working? I'm working in a factory. Michael, do you like working in the factory? No, I don't like working in the factory, but I need money. Yes, I can understand. Where do you want to work? I want to work in a office. I see. I hope you get a job in a office. Thank you, John. Where do you work? I work in the hospital. What do you do in the hospital? I am a doctor. I love my job. That's great. I'm happy you have a good job. Thank you, Michael. I have to go now. Okay, bye, Michael. Goodbye, John.